Good morning, everybody, from
Hi, cruisers.
beautiful, well, I don't know if I want to say beautiful, but from the Cayman Islands. It is cloudy, and it's been raining a little bit, and but it's warm. And we are parked next to the
Carnival Freedom.
Carnival Freedom behind us. Apparently we got the preferred parking spot, though, so... So anyway, we're getting ready to go down and get a tender sticker.
Yes.
And go hang out at the Westin 7 Mile Beach for the day, as long as weather permits. Hopefully the sun will come out. I think we're dealing with the remnants of what used to be Hurricane Isaac.
Yes.
But
it's
whatever.
all good.
It's all good because we're on a ship. So we will check back with you once we get off the ship.
Yep.
I'll try to take some footage of us tendering in, and we'll document the whole day.
See you soon.
We will see you soon.
All right, bye. This is my first tender ever.
Taxi bus to go over to the Westin. We'll check back with you when we get
to the Westin.
To the Westin.
Eventually.
Welcome to the Westin with the rooster. Rooster. There he is. So we're at the Westin. We're gonna go check in. We're gonna give us a room for the day. Then we're gonna go to the pool or the beach and check it out. This is our just our room for the day here at the Westin. So when you do their day pass, they give you a room. So if you want to shower after you come in from the beach or the pool, before you go back to wherever you're coming from, in our case the ship, you can do that. We'll check back with you shortly. We're gonna change into bathing suits and head out to the pool and the beach, and probably have an adult beverage or two, maybe some food. So we'll check back with you soon.
Westin in Grand Cayman, and it was a fabulous time on the beach. We're gonna check out and hop in a taxi back to the port.
Say something piratey.
Arr, mateys.
Tandoor. We're having tandoor. So I got
Indian food.
black lentils with basmati rice. I got chicken and rice, some beef, some naan, some veggies, some potatoes. I'm gonna try it and see what's in it. Got some sauce. I don't even know what it is.
I got some rice, chicken, pork, a bunch of stuff.
Okay. Outfit for dinner tonight. This is night number 4. And I am wearing a off-the-shoulder dress from Stitch Fix. I've got on my jewelry from Roxbox, which is my bracelet, and the all-seeing eye necklace right here. This necklace, this long necklace I've had for a while, so I don't remember quite where I got that. Same with the earrings. So those I've had for a while, and same with this just nice little black dinner purse. It's real small. And then the last item is the shoes. These are knockoffs from the Valentino Rockstar studs. So got these. And that's it for this evening's outfit. How you doing? Want to have a drink with me? I didn't bring my glasses, so I can't see. This is a Cosmo because it's pink. I feel good.
You heard it. She said
I knew that I would now. This is what it's like sitting here. That's what it's like sitting here. I mean, this is going to sound silly, but it's like Zatarain's dirty rice. Didn't you say you would be going to the casino?
Yep.
So what is it? Club? Or casino?
It's both. It's the casino. We went to Grand Cayman today. It was my first time tendering. That was interesting. So we went to the resort for the day at the Westin. The Westin 7 Mile Beach Resort.
which was very lovely. It was worth every penny. The Westin was beautiful. We had a room.
We did. So if you've made it to the end of this this day vlog, first of all, thank you for making it to the end. You actually seen the video and the pictures and stuff, and yep, it really looks just like that. Probably even better in real life. The resort was fantastic.
It was beautiful.
The food was good. The service was
impeccable.
It really was impeccable service. And we had the hotel room for the day. The room was nice. The shower was incredible, which was cool because we got to like lay on the beach all day, go in the water, and then we were able to go to the room and have a shower and change clothes before we went back to the ship. The people in Grand Cayman, if you've never been there, the people are amazing, amazingly helpful, amazingly friendly. Everybody we encountered, from our cab ride to the resort, the people at the resort, to our cab ride back, are just fantastic, friendly, conversational, and just very service oriented. So that was cool. What else did we do? Oh, so we ate in the MGR for the first time. Or no, sorry, it was the second time, but the first time that we had changed our
anytime dining to a
set time, because anytime dining is just crazy. Met our server, Irfan is his name, from Indonesia, and his assistant's name is Kresha from the Philippines. Yep. And very nice, good service.
The food has been abundant, and it's killing me.
So tomorrow's a day at sea.
Yay! I like days at sea. I'm sorry for yawning. I get tired.
Yeah.
That's why it's called pillow talk, because my head's on the pillow.
That's right. And we have a mixology class tomorrow. Yeah. That we're going to go to. So pretty excited about that. That's really the only plan we have during the day, is just that mixology class. Right. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your enemies.
Don't tell your enemies, tell your frenemies.
Tell your frenemies.
Actually, we've been telling everybody on the ship too, so that would be cool.
So
hopefully we get some new followers.
Hopefully.
All right. So we're gonna go to bed.
Oh, yeah, we do.
I'm tired.
Me too.
Okay. Good night.
Yeah.
Love you. Bye.